Hello. In this section, we will start creating Instagram story from a template. For this, I'll teach you to create a one quote related template on morning quotes. Morning quotes are generally used by all kinds of Instagram pages across Instagram. I'll just go to the templates, and on the templates, I'll go to the Instagram stories. Now in the Instagram stories, I can directly type quotes over here and it will just bring the quotes templates to me. Okay, so now I have the quotes template and I can just filter the types of ways I want it to. So here in the themes, I have the quotes, that is like 20k templates are available in the quotes section. Now, one thing I'll do here is I'll just tick mark the free version of it, because right now we are just trying to learn using the free version. One great feature about Canva is you can just filter out the colors. So if I just click on this black one, then I'll just get all the black templates available for me. So why this kind of feature is very important is because if you have a brand, means if you have a food brand, then you want all your templates to be in green. So it is the color that relates to the vegan features. So color coding is like entirely a different kind of science. Right now I don't need any black colored ones. I just need some normal whitish or grayish ones. So I'll just go and click the white color backgrounds. Okay, so I'm getting some really decent kind of templates now. I can just move around till I find the really nice template that I really like. Okay, so I like this template, so I'll just click on it. So I can customize this template now, and yeah, I just searched for quotes morning and I just found this really decent quote, that is, write it on your heart that every day is the best day in the year. So I want to use that quote here. So what I'll do is I'll just double click this space and I tick it, and when I do the backspace, then I can just change the text. Write it in your heart that every day is the best day of the year. Okay, so as you can already see, it automatically just goes to another line. As you can already see, the length is already adjusted on its own. So what I can do is I can also change this length and width by dragging it over here. Another way of doing is like very easy, this one. I can drag and make the changes.